Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 965 and I'm gonna show you how to edit or customize the controls menu on this watch. First we need to open the controls menu on our watch, and to do it press and hold the light button. Once the menu opens you should see a bunch of icons, and now if you want to add or remove or change the order of the icons in this menu, you need to press and hold the up button. It will open the menu, and now we have, like I said, 3 options: add, reorder and remove. If you want to add another shortcut, another control, tap on add controls, scroll through the list, find the control you want to add and tap on it, and it will be added to the controls menu. When you go back you will see it. Here we have it. Next option is to reorder the controls. So basically you can change the order on the list. So if you select reorder, you can select the icon you want to move, then press the start button, and then we can move it to the place we want it to be. And once you move it, you can tap on it or press the start to confirm. And the remove option basically allows you to remove the shortcut. So if you press and hold the up button, let's do it again. Press and hold the up button, open the menu, tap on remove controls, select the control you want to remove, and then you can tap on it or press the start button and it will be removed, and then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. You can also do this through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So we can move this to the side, bring the phone that is paired with our watch, okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch we need to open the Garmin Connect application. So let's open the app by tapping on the icon, and here let's tap on more, then tap on Garmin devices and select our Forerunner 965. Here let's find the option, I believe it's appearance, then tap on controls, and here we can edit the controls menu. We have the list of added in and available. So find the icon you want to add, for example, and tap on the plus button next to it. Then go back to the settings main page, sync the devices together, and the settings should be applied. So if we reopen the controls menu, the battery saver should appear on the menu, and it is here. If you go back to the controls, we can remove the add or other icon, my bad, not add the icon, by tapping on the minus icon next to it, like that. And if you go back to the settings, sync the devices, reopen the menu, the battery saver should be gone. And if you want to change the order, you open the appearance controls, find the shortcut you want to move, then press and hold on the sorting button next to it, drag it to the position you want it to be in, and then you can go back, sync the devices together. Come on, hello, let's try now. Let's sync the devices together, reopen the menu, and the changes should be applied. Okay, and that's how you edit the controls menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.